Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Sletten.
Thanks for that wonderful intro, Dave. Welcome to Soundcheck, everybody. I'm here with a couple of friends of mine, Kottke and Strauss, Dave and Scott. How are you guys doing today?
Great, thanks for having us.
All right. So I'm noticing this this little thing down here. What is that thing called?
That's
porch
the
board?
Porch board base. Comes from a place in Janesville, Wisconsin.
So you just bang on it, it makes a bass, just a boom, boom sound?
Yep, it's a little piezo pickup inside that board and this rail.
Same kind of thing that would be in a guitar, right?
Yep, very
similar. So it just picks that up. Could you make your own of that thing or not?
Yeah, there's smaller versions, stomp boxes, you see them around. Yeah,
cool.
So this is a big piece of pine that.
So how did you guys meet?
Mutual musician friend.
All right,
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, just one of those things that we showed up at a gig together and just seemed to fit.
The rest is history, right?
That's right.
Well, let's go ahead. Let's talk about what song you're going to start off with.
Well, we're going to do a little song by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers.
Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, yeah. Very cool. Well, let's go ahead and get to it.
Gonna take her away with your money and your cocaine. You keep thinking that it might is gonna change, but I know everything is okay. She's gonna listen to her heart. It's gonna tell her what to do. She might need a lot of loving, but she don't need you. Want me to think that I'm getting you. You want her to think it's over. You can't see it doesn't matter what you do. And buddy, you don't even know her. She's gonna listen to her heart. It's gonna tell her what to do. She might need a lot of loving, but she don't need you. You just can't creep up behind her. You can't understand that she's my girl. She's my girl. Ooh, she's gonna listen to her heart. Gonna tell her what to do. She might need a lot of loving, but she don't need you. It's alright if you don't. I'm not afraid of you running away, honey. I get the feeling you won't. There ain't no sense in pretending. Your eyes give you away. There's something inside you is feeling like I do. We said all there is to say. Go ahead and give it to me. Break down, honey, take me through the night. You break down, I'm standing here, can't you see? You break down, it's alright.
Awesome song. That was really fun. I like that kind of that
Thanks.
medley going into what's the second one you played?
Oh, that was a
Is it Breakdown?
Breakdown.
Yeah,
Breakdown,
that's
yeah.
fun. I like
Yeah.
that. Nice mix. You go
Yeah.
boom. So let's go into our next song. You're gonna play something that you wrote.
Yes, yes.
What's the song called?
This song is called My Kaddish.
Okay.
Kaddish is a very, very old prayer in Jewish liturgy.
Okay.
Goes back thousands of years.
All right.
But this relates to a personal experience that I think a lot of people my age or around this age run into, where they have an aging parent and dementia, Alzheimer's comes into play. I wrote this song for my mom when I had to move her out of a semi-assisted living situation into memory care. And when I was cleaning up her apartment, I heard people coming by in the hallway, knocking on the door, looking for her. And also I was channeling her loneliness and not really wanting anyone to see her in the condition she's in. Finally, but Kaddish is a prayer said for people when they pass away. And so I came upon this idea of someone being so lonely and alone that they're saying Kaddish for themselves.
They're saying it for themselves. Okay. Wow. That's very deep. Well, let's go ahead. Let's hear it.
I stare at the TV, same old show. Makes no difference, nowhere to go. Every day runs into the next, till tomorrow finally forgets to come. Waiting for the light to take me away. There's only one that I want to see this way. Did I have a good life? I no longer know. Without much left and nothing to show. Did I love anyone? Or was I loved? No family, no friends to see me on my way. I'm waiting for the light to take me away. There's only one that I trust to see me this way. Did I hear a call? Or is it someone in the hall? I knock on the door, someone calls my name. Could it be you're coming for me? I stare at the ceiling, clean and white. Occasional shadows dance in the light. A plane overhead, a car passing by. I'm ready to go, I think it's my time. I'm waiting for the light to take me away. There's only one that I want to see me this way. Oh, say shalom b'romav, huya aseh shalom. Alinu v'al kol Yisrael, v'imru, v'imru, amen. I'm waiting for the light to take me away. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for the light to take me away. I'm waiting for the light to take me away.
That was a great song. Thank you so
thank
much
you.
for that. Really appreciate that. So we're going to move on to the next song. Which one are we going to do here?
another original I wrote in the last couple of years, kind of going through again a personal experience.
Sure. All right. I
And
like it.
I'm not been much of a country rocker in my life, but I channeled some country.
All right.
And at the same time, I switched over to from the porch board
Yeah.
to now
Let's-
this is
What is this sitting in front of you here?
it's a farmer foot drum.
Farmer foot drum.
Yeah.
Where do you find one of those things?
Pete Farmer Kaner built it. Started in the Pacific Northwest, and now he runs his company out of the northern part of Michigan with his wife and
That's
children.
amazing. So what
Yeah.
what all instruments do you have, or drums do you have
So
on there?
yeah, he makes all the drums custom and then builds them into this platform, and it's all pedal actuated, like 300 parts to this thing or something.
My
It's really
goodness.
it's a piece of work of art. You
Well,
know?
I'm looking. There's a bass drum.
Bass drum, and a
snare.
and a hi-hat that opens and closes,
Okay,
and a
so your
stick
pedals
that
are
actually
doing-
hits that too. So, and the snare drums run with the heels.
You got little shakers on there,
Yep,
and that is amazing. How long did it take you to learn how to play that thing?
I'm still learning it.
Should I sit down and go? That'd be funny, actually. But anyways, why don't you show us how it works? Play. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do a song called Secondhand Man.
All right, let's hear it.
She took my love to the second-hand store. Said she didn't really want it anymore. She took her old couch back to where she bought it. Only I was still laying on it. I'm a second-hand man, rubber salesman. Slightly used to work until I fail. Well, I got a few miles, but the parts are all there. And I'm a second-hand man, so buyer beware. Me and mine out to the end of the drive, left up for grass of anybody passing by. Free to go home, that's what she wrote on the sign. And I've been kicked to the curb and slid to the side. No monetary value has ever been implied. I start a little slow, but I give a good ride. A reasonable offer will ever be denied. I'm just a second-hand man, rummage sale mail. Yeah, well, slightly used to work until I fail. Well, I got a few miles, the parts are all there. And I'm a second-hand man, so buyer beware. Buyer beware. 'Cause I'm scratched, dented, damaged goods. Discarded, broken-hearted, misunderstood. I get tracked in vinyl, I'm easy to miss. I'm not fit as a fiddle, out of shape just a tad. But if you squint a little bit, I don't look so bad. All sales are final, I'm coming as is. 'Cause she took my love to the second-hand store. Said she didn't really want it anymore. She took the old couch back to where she bought it. I was still laying on it. I'm a second-hand man.
That's a pretty cool song, Dave. I like that.
Thanks a lot.
So I noticed, Scott, your bass. That thing's pretty cool. Tell me a little bit about it.
This is a Court Jeff Berlin signature series.
Yeah,
Jeff
nice,
Berlin
beautiful.
is a pretty well-known session bassist, funk, jazz fusion. But he had this bass designed for his specifications.
And what kind of wood is that? I'm
It's
just looking at all the different...
alder and a couple other inlays that I just like the way they look. But
Yeah, I do too. I was like, wow.
I bought it on a leap of faith. I saw him playing it online. Heard the description.
He played this actual bass online?
What-
So he's touched this? I'm sorry, I shouldn't have touched it. I'm sorry.
So, from the description, that it plays kind of like a jazz bass, Fender jazz bass.
A little skinnier neck, it looks
yeah,
like up there. Yeah.
fast
like
action.
A P-bass or something would be like a Fender kind of thing.
But it was love at first sight. I had to have
That's really nice. Yeah. What does the back look like?
it. Just
Oh, yeah.
smooth
But
wood.
that front is like, it looks like a mountain peak. I'm looking at that. Is that what they're going for?
I'm not sure. I think it's whatever Jeff had in
That's-
mind.
Well, what's the next song you guys are gonna play?
Dedicated to this bass guitar because it's
It is?
amazing.
It's amazing. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and hear it.
A song by Aerosmith.
I kept the right ones out and let the wrong ones in. Had an angel of mercy to see me through all my sins. There were times in my life that I was going insane. I was trying to walk through the pain. When I lost my grip and I hit the floor. Hell, I thought I could leave, but I couldn't get out the door. And I was so sick and tired of living a lie. And I was wishing that I would die. finally see the light. It's amazing. In a moment of rise, you know you'll be alright. It's amazing. And I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. One last shot is a permanent vacation. How can you fly with broken wings? Life's a journey, not a destination. And you just can't tell just what tomorrow brings. You gotta learn to crawl before you learn to walk. Yeah, but I just couldn't listen to all that righteous talk. As I was out on the street trying to survive, and I was scratching to stay alive. It's amazing. When a blink of an eye, you finally see the light. It's amazing. And I've known in your eyes that you know that you'll be alright. It's amazing. And I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. Babe, I'm saying a prayer for the desperate hearts tonight. And I'm saying a prayer for desperate hearts tonight. Here you go, Scotty.
Awesome song, you guys. So for this next song, you guys are going to play what, a little CCR?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You're sitting on a pretty cool guitar there. What is that?
This has been my faithful companion for better part of 20 years.
Yeah.
It's made by Rain Song.
Rain Song. What is it made out of? That's what I want to know.
Carbon fiber.
So when I'm looking here, that's what that is?
Yeah, it's graphite. Same stuff they make the stealth fighter out of.
Oh, really? Can you fly in it?
No.
I'd like to see you try.
They hang it in a waterfall at the guitar shows, so the water just flows right through and out the hole.
So you could get that thing wet, it wouldn't matter. There's no wood on it at all?
No wood at all. Very
what about
stable.
The neck? The neck is
Neck's all the same. Yep, carbon fiber. So a little abalone and mother of pearl inlays.
To make it all fancy, of course.
Yeah, and it's a very stable guitar.
Very
stays
stable.
in tune well.
It'll never crack?
Well,
humidity-wise?
Humidity, it stays put, but it'll take a hit just like anything else.
I suppose. But that's, very unique.
Yeah.
It's got a nice sound, too. So, well, let's go ahead and hear your CCR. Which one are you going to do?
I do Lodi.
Lodi. All right, let's go.
I was looking for a pot of gold. Yeah, things got bad and things got worse. I guess you know the tune. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. I rode in on the Greyhound. I'll be walking out when I go. I was just passing through. It must be 7 months more. I ran out of time. station, and I ran out of songs to play. I came into town on a one-night stand. It looks like my plans fell through. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. If I only had $1 for every song I sung, every time I had to play while people sat there drunk, you know I'd catch the next train back to where I live. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again. Oh Lord, I'm stuck in Lodi again.
You guys have done an awesome job today. I really appreciate you coming out here to Westonka Music and filming this. It's really cool. What's your last song going to be?
Well, Greg, just thanks a lot for having us out today.
Appreciate it.
You guys are awesome.
Do some of the Traveling Wilburys music, a song called End of the Line.
Well, that's an appropriate song for the last song.
That's right.
Well, you guys, thanks for joining us here on Soundcheck, and until next time, keep on jamming.
Well, it's alright, riding around in the breeze. Well, it's alright, just living the life that you please. It's alright, you're doing the best that you can. Well, it's alright, as long as you lend a hand. Wanna sit around and wait for the phone to ring, the end of the line, waiting for someone to tell you everything. At the end of the line, you can sit and wonder what tomorrow will bring. Or maybe a diamond ring. Well, it's alright, even if they say you're wrong. Well, it's alright, sometimes you gotta be strong. It's alright, as long as you got somewhere to lay. Yeah, well, it's alright, every day's a judgment day. Maybe somewhere down the road a ways, at the end of the line, you'll think of me and wonder where I am these days. At the end of the line, maybe somewhere down the road when somebody plays, yeah, the purple haze. Well, it's alright, even when push comes to shove. Well, it's alright, you still got someone to love. Alright, you're doing the best that you can. Well, it's alright, as long as you lend a hand. It doesn't matter what the car I drive, at the end of the line, I'm just glad to be here and happy to be alive. At the end of the line, yeah, doesn't matter, she's not by my side, and I'm satisfied. Well, it's alright, even if you're old and gray. Well, it's alright, yeah, you still got something to say. It's alright, just remember to live and let live. Yeah, well, it's alright, the best you can do is forgive. Alright, it's alright, baby, riding around in the breeze. Well, it's alright, you're just living the life that you please. It's alright, yeah, it'll work out fine. Well, it's alright.